Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to show you a little bit about what goes on at a pickleball tournament, which should be the only reason someone would want to get up at 6 a.m. in the morning to get over here and get registered by 8 and warm up, and first game's at 8:30. Problem is it's not in my local city, so I need to drive and get parking and everything else. That's why you have to get up. But good group out here showing. If you don't know anything about pickleball, I've got a pickleball instructional video that I'm going to put up. Let's see, I'm going to put up here. And maybe it's there. Yeah, maybe there. So, pickleball instructional video you can check out. And I think it'll help you understand the game. I'm going to try and get you some shots of some of the game and some of the action. Definitely not with me in it, because I'll be behind the camera. But they won't let me go on the court with this thing in my hand. We've got a real good turnout here. We are down in Venice, Florida, so should be a good day. It's a March 6th, 8th, something like that. Anyway, looking forward to it. So come along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life Pickleball Edition. Let me tell you a little bit about the venue. The place here is somewhat of an RV park. There's not a front gate or anything like that, but most of these are park models that go around the outside, and you can probably hear them already playing. This right here is actually a tennis court that's been converted for today. So they've got it relined and everything. But over here they've got horseshoes. A nice building back there, and here are 3 pickleball courts, regulation size, lined up really nice, painted sort of just for pickleball. And you really want that when you play, because sometimes when you play on a tennis court like that, some of the lines can be confusing. What's in, what's out, what's the kitchen, what isn't the kitchen. But it's always great when you have designated areas. There's only 3 courts here. I'm actually a little surprised that they're having it at a place a tournament that only has 3 courts. But maybe there's another set of courts I'm not aware of. So far not. So let's go watch some games. So these courts actually got lined up for a pickleball. Even though they're sitting on a tennis court. Disadvantage is the net is going to be a little higher. They try to pull it down some, but it's still higher on the edges.
3-1-1.
3-1-1.
Oh yeah, you want to play too?
Out of bounds. Coming to us. Oh, I didn't do too bad today. My partner and I lost the first one, but we won the next 3. So we finished 3-1, but it's total points. So you get 11 points per game. But the first one we lost, and we only had 3 points. So that gave us 36. And I think the top 4 teams all had more than 36 total points, even though one of them actually had 2 losses and we only had 1. I think you should go by win-loss first. But anyway, not me, not my tournament. So let's go get a few more videos of some more picklers. This is the ladies advance and men's advance, I believe. So here are the main courts here. Looks like the ladies are finishing up their finals. Funny looking guy there in the red hat is actually the guy I rode over here with, him and his wife. His name is Normand. N-O-R-M-A-N-D. Normand. You can see they play really well. They play well with the net and everything. Doing good. So now they're playing the women's advanced finals here. They're playing well. A lot of people out here watching. Most of them on the other side. There's the men's playing over here. Too bad they only had 3 courts here. Good shot.
Hey, the crowd is getting rowdy. 6, 7, 1, 2. Hold 8. Go.
Good vibe. That was a good tournament. Our guys from our RV park finished second in the advance. Considering they've got 16 teams or something like that here playing in the advances, that's pretty good. This is part of their bay house. Again, this is not a RV park here. It's called Bay Ilges, I think. Ilges. But we got a lot of park models around here.
You may have an issue finding a chair.
This is a really nice building here. They actually, at the other end of it, they had some art displays. But it was a good time. It was a good time. If you're ever in the area, you got a chance, you want to come play some pickleball, look for tournaments that are going on. Look for tournaments. And they're about ready to announce the winners down there. But be sure to like and subscribe and check out our other videos that talk about travel and different things to do. And don't forget to look for our next one, which we're going to a rodeo over in Arcadia. Never done a video at a rodeo. We're going to do it tonight, actually, same day. Very busy day for activities, especially when you get up at 6 a.m. All right, anyway, I'll survive it. So come join us on our adventures. Be sure to like and subscribe, because you're now living the coolest life.